Hello friend, welcome to iOS TicTacToe. This is Golden Sun. In this video, let's talk about how to use image for the game board, okay? And the pieces. Before that, let's add an empty line. Let's quickly add an empty line before each output here, okay? So there's a printing somewhere in our view controller. Do we have a print? Oh yeah, it's here, print, right? So we can add another print like that, empty. Yeah, it will print out a line. Or yeah, let's try this. Yeah, there's an empty line to separate each output. It looks better, right? Like that. Yeah, another way to do that is we can add the delimiter. I forgot the is it delimiter? But like that. Add it's not delimiter. Let's Google it. Or separator. iOS Swift print delimiter. Oh, separator terminator. Let's try terminator. Okay, terminator. Does this compile? Okay, so this one compiles. We don't need that now. We put the two because yeah, we put the two line breakers here. Okay, let's try it. Terminator. Okay, so 1, 2. Yeah, so because without that, by default there is 1. So print is the print line on other program languages. So now if we make this explicit, right, we add another 1. So there's 1 here after the 2. Then another 1, we create our the separate empty line. Okay, cool. So close that. And I prepared 2 images, handwriting, hand drawing. Okay, so let's see how we can use those for our game. Okay, so I'll make a screenshot like that. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect square. When we draw it, we can specify the square. Okay, 1 for this one, 2. We need 3 files, right? And add 4. Now we can close that, and I'll drag the 3 files onto here. Put it here. Okay, so it's on my desktop. Now we can give it a name here, board piece X, piece O. We can use those names in our code. Okay, so let's go back to our drawing here, and well, it's our draw pieces, draw board. Okay, let's try draw board first. Draw board. Oh, here. Yeah, and let's create another one. Okay, draw board using image. Okay, so function or private function draw board with image. So draw image board. Okay, like that. So we can create the image using that image equals UIImage named, remember we named it board, right? So image dot draw at you cannot control its, you provide the top upper top corner of the image, so we cannot control its shape and its size. Then if we use draw in, then we can provide a rectangle. Okay, so now we can put it 0 0 and bounds.width and bounds.height, which is the square of our TicTacToe game board height. Okay, that's it. So we can comment out this one if you like. Alright, using the draw image board. Okay, now let's try. Yeah, right, we still can play the game. Sorry for my ugly game board. Okay, now let's try draw pieces. Draw pieces, we use draw X and draw O. Okay, so we can draw X and draw O. Where is it? Draw O, draw X. Okay, so we can also create a function draw image X, right, and draw image O. Yeah, let's do it later. So same thing. Oh, we need to provide draw O, draw X. Oh, it's here. We need to provide the information here. Like that, and we still need to use the center. We need to find out the center of that, and yeah, let's create the image here. Named this time is piece X, right? Now the center is there. We need to find out is half cell side. Okay, half, oh, ratio half cell side ratio. Okay, so here is the center. Then yeah, that x equals center dot x minus ratio times half, so side, right? And y equals center dot y minus ratio times half, so side. That's our x and y of our image. So we can do image dot draw in, right? The x and y is this x, and y width of course is twice 2 times half, so side, 2 times half, so side. Let's give it a try. Oh, we haven't called it yet. Let's merge the two things, okay? Draw piece image, okay? And we can specify the third one, boolean no, the like is x, okay? Boolean. So here we can use a ternary here, right? If is x, if it's x, we use that. Otherwise we use piece of O, like that. Now we can replace the draw O. Actually we can rename that draw x at, okay? Let's make it a better name. Draw x at, right, colon and row, and here rename it draw O at, okay? So now our new function will be draw piece image at colon, right? Now we can find out the place here, yeah. So we can if that draw at okay, so actually we can change this one to the ternary, like that, right? Okay, so can we do that? If that, we draw that, otherwise we draw O at. I'm not sure if it works. Let's try. Run it. Yes, it works. This is the old code, okay? Now we can comment out this one and use our new one, right? Draw image, draw piece image at. So colon and the row is that we use piece dot player dot is at, right? Same as this guy. Same as this guy. And okay. Draw O at, draw X at. Actually we can, if we like, we can merge those two things. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so let's put this back. Wait a minute. Okay, so we can merge those two things here, draw O at. Okay, so we can add another one, right? Is X boolean. So if is X, we do that, and else we do this. And now we don't need to, we can share the center, right? So we can move out this guy out of the if, and we can delete this one like that. And UI bezier path stroke line. Okay, so we don't want to duplicate this part, so we can put it outside that and delete this part, right? Now we don't have the path, it doesn't compile. Yeah, so we need to put this one here. Its data type is UI bezier path, like that. So path equal to that. This one path equal to that. Does it work? Command B. Okay. So now we don't need this one. Delete that. And draw access. No, now this should be draw piece at. Okay. Yeah, let's try that first. Draw piece at. Okay, run it. Yeah, it works, right? Cool. Now we can delete this one. Now it's time to switch to the, let's make a copy of that one and comment out. So yeah, you guys can pick whatever you like, right? If you uncomment this one and comment this one, then you switch back. We switch back to the non-image one. So draw image piece at. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's show my ugly hand drawing. Oh, draw image piece at. Draw piece image at. Okay. Let's make it consistent. Draw image board. Draw. Okay, let's make it consistent. Cut it here, put it here, and put it here. Draw image piece. Okay, run it. Oh, that's the problem. It's not transparent. Aha. Now we have to make it smaller. That's one of the solution, right? And yeah, is it centered? Oh yeah, it is centered. Okay, so a quick solution, instead of making it transparent, we can adjust this guy, make it much smaller. What about 5? Is it smaller? X and Y. Oh, sorry about that. There's a bug here. X, we needed to times ratio here. Put it here, 2 times ratio times that, 2 times ratio times that. Now let's try it again. Yeah, you see, it works, right? Now let's put it. Okay, let's check all of them. Yeah, nice. Now what if we put it back 7, the original value? Oh, nothing. There's no, oh, there's a small overlapping here, you see? Yeah, that, I think 0.6 is good enough. Run it. What about this one? Yeah, not too bad, right? It's like a baby images. Okay, so even if we go back to this one, I think the ratio 0.6 is also good. Right? Yeah. So we don't need to change this. 0.6, I think it's even better. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.